Welcome to my channel. Today you will see class 10 NCERT chapter number 2 polynomials exercise 2.2. So question number 2 we have find the quadratic polynomial each with given numbers as a sum and product of its zeros are respectively given. Okay, they asked to find actually quadratic polynomial. Here what are the things are given now? Sum and product of zeros are given. Okay, then first one is a sum of 0, second one is a product of 0, that's why they given respectively. Okay, now we will go for finding a quadratic polynomial. So the quadratic polynomial, first we must know the formula. First question I am going to take, so 1 by 4 and minus 1 by, that is our question here. So they said this is sum of zeros and this is product of 0. For that first we have to take any two zeros. So alpha and beta be the zeros of a quadratic polynomial. Like that I am taking. Then after taking this, then what will happen? Then this is sum of 0 they mentioned na, so that alpha plus beta which is equal to 1 by 4, that is the meaning. Sum of 0 na, this is the meaning, and product of 0 in the sense we need to multiply these two zeros, that's what I did. This is minus 1 they given, and they asked to find a quadratic polynomial. Okay, the standard form of quadratic polynomial, we know that formula. If you need the formula na, just see my previous video. I was given the link in the description, introduction video. So p of x which is equal to k into, that is x square, minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Actually this is the standard form of a quadratic polynomial. This you have to write. This we have the formula now actually in our hand. So I'm going to substitute the alpha plus beta, alpha beta in this formula. That's it. Okay. Now k into x square minus alpha plus beta, we have 1 by 4. So that 1 by 4 into x. Understand? If you need the bracket you can give, because alpha plus beta value 1 by 4 plus alpha into beta value we know is minus 1. Understand? Now you can simplify, that's it. Now we have k outside, x square minus 1 into x divided 4 plus into minus 1. Now you have to, what is that, take a LCM for this answer. If you stop this answer they will not give full mark, so that you can take 4 we have here, so divide 4 I am doing. Here nothing is there, so you have to consider it is divided by 1 by 1 by 1, like that we have, just you assume. Now what number if you multiply with the 1 you will get 4 now. 4, the 4 we have to multiply in the numerator, then 4x square, already we have 4, then it will come as well as here minus 1 minus 1 into 4 na, minus 4, that is our answer. Okay, now next step, this what is that, this is constant na, so that I am taking outside k by 4 into, what is that, 4x square minus x minus 4, that is our answer. So when you are giving the final answer, no need to write the what is that, constant value inside the bracket. What we have, that's alone you can write, no problem. Okay, so constant you can leave 4x square minus x minus 4, that is our required p of x. If you need it, just put the bracket, put here k also, no problem, but this is enough. Add the quadratic polynomial. Sir, is the quadratic polynomial, is the quadratic polynomial. Okay, so this is the first one. Next we will go for the second question. Next I am taking the second question, root 2 comma 1 by root 3. Then according to the question, this is the sum of 0 and this is the product of 0. Okay, now we have to take that alpha and beta be the zeros. Okay, let be the quadratic polynomial. Next So after taking this, what will happen? Then what is that? Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta in the same, that is sum of 0, which is equal to root 2. Likewise, product of 0 in the sense, what they given? 1 by 3. Okay, now we need to use the formula. What formula? That standard form of the quadratic equation. So we have the formula that p of x, which is equal to k into x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Okay, now here we need to substitute the values. K of x square minus of alpha plus beta value, we have root 2 into x plus alpha into beta value 1 by 3. Okay, now we have to take a LCM, because here the last constant we have by 3, but here we don't have anything like 1, so this is 1, so we have to take conjugate here. Outside we have constant k, so 3, the denominator is 3. Okay, now the 3 we need to multiple here and here also. Then 3 into x square, 3x square minus 3 into root 2, 3 root 2, that x will come as well as this plus 1. Okay, that's it. Now the denominator 3 I'm going to write here. I'm going to bring outside. Then k divided 3 into 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. Now no need to write the constant, already I said. So constant you can remove. The remaining, the within a bracket what we have, that's you can write. That is our required quadratic polynomial. So this is our p of x, the required quadratic polynomial. Okay, is our required polynomial. That's it. Okay, now we'll go for the third. Okay, the third one, 0 comma root 5. 0 is a sum of roots and root 5 is the product of roots, so that I'm going to take alpha and beta be the zeros of quadratic polynomial. Then alpha plus beta, which is equal to, we have here 0 and product of zeros in the sense root 5 they given, so root 5 you can write. Then we have to write the standard form of a quadratic equation. Standard form I was written here. So in this formula we need to substitute this alpha plus beta equal to 0 and alpha beta equal to root 5, we need to substitute. Okay, now we'll go to that. So k is a constant, x square minus of alpha plus beta value we have here 0 into x plus alpha into beta value they given here root 5. Okay, then 0 into anything, we know what is that, 0. Then x square, 0 into x fully 0 plus root 5. So within a bracket what we have, that's only we need to write. So leave the constant what they given. So k you can leave. Then x square plus root 5. No need to write the 0. So this is p of x is our required quadratic polynomial. That's it. Now we'll go to the next question. Fourth one, 1 comma 4 they given, actually here they given. Then first one is the sum of 0, next one is the product of 0, so that I'm going to take alpha and beta be the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. After that, then that alpha plus beta, which is equal to 1, and product of value also same, which is equal to 1. Now we have to write the standard form of the quadratic polynomial. So we have that p of x, which is equal to the formula k into x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta I was written. So we need to substitute this alpha plus beta value, alpha beta value here. Okay, now we'll go. So k into x square minus of alpha plus beta value we have 1, so 1 plus alpha into beta value 1, so closed. So k into, so x square 1 into x, x plus 1, so constant now we have to leave, so remaining you can write. So x square minus x plus 1, then this side we have p of x. So this is our required quadratic polynomial. Okay, that's it. We'll go to the next question. The fifth one is very important, so listen carefully. Fifth one, minus 1 by 4 comma plus 1 by 4, we have this was taken. So this I'm going to take as what is that, a sum of 0 and product of 0. So that here we have to take alpha comma beta be the zeros of quadratic polynomial. Then alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus 1 by 4, sum of 0 was written here, and product of 0 in the sense we have plus 1 by 4, you can write. Okay, my dear. After that we have to write the standard form of the quadratic polynomial. So we have the formula p of x, which is equal to k into what is that, x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta, this formula. So this is one of the important ones, so please listen and substitute that alpha plus beta value, minus of alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 into x plus alpha into beta value plus 1 by 4. Okay, now we have to take a LCM for this value, and coefficient of x square nothing is there, and divide 1 I'm taking, so that okay. Now we have to simplify this. So k into, I'm taking LCM is 4, because here we have 4, here also 4, here nothing, so that I can say as a 1. So this 4 we will multiply in the x square. Coefficient of x square is now 4, minus into minus, plus 1 into x plus 1. That's it. This constant I'm going to bring outside. Then k by 4, which is equal to 4x square plus x plus 1. Understand? Now we need to leave the constant, and within a bracket what we have, that's you can write 4x square plus x plus 1. Okay, this is our required quadratic polynomial. Okay, we'll go to the next question. So next question, sixth, 4 comma 1. So 4 is the sum of 0, 1 is the product of 0. So that I'm going to take alpha and beta be the zeros of this equation. Then after taking alpha and beta be the zeros, then alpha plus beta value we have, what is that, 4, that is sum of 0, and product of zeros we have, that is 1. Now we have to write the formula. So I was written the formula here actually. After the next step I was written the formula. Now we need to substitute that alpha plus beta value. So x square minus of alpha plus beta value we have here 4. So 4 into x plus alpha into beta value we have 1. So 1. That's it. Now we have to simplify. So k of x square minus 4 into x, 4x plus 1. That's it. So within a bracket what we have, that's all we need, right? So the constant we need to leave. So x square minus 4x plus 1 is our required quadratic polynomial. This is okay. I hope you will understand the sums. If you like this video, share with your friends. Thank you, my dear.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for getting more videos and press the bell icon for getting notification.